Choice today with the 2017 E-Class. Some predict the future. We prefer to build it. The Mercedes E-Class is an impressive ride, very smooth and punchy, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, HD radio, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather shift knob, overhead console, panic alarm. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.